Morning, futures traders. It's David on Tuesday, September 6th. Just getting rolling here. The futures is up. The VIX is down. The time is 8:36. Getting going early. Let's see if we can get one. See if we get a pull back up to the upside. Oh, looks like they want to take it down. It was up all night, working its way up. Now it's slicing down.
Order filled.
Come on, get up there then. 13, 14. I want to be right there for the stop. Nine, 10, 11, 8, oh no, 10s, 11s, 12s, there we go. 14s, I want to see some 15s. Oh, 14s, 13s. Yeah, we're moving up. It's going to be hard and fast. Watch.
Order canceled.
Now let's see if she just doesn't pull back. We can get a little run. Nope.
Order canceled.
Sideways. Let's hold off. It's too fast. It hasn't made its motion yet. Direction, rather. Yeah. We're going to wait another 5 minutes. It's what they call chop suey. Yeah, it's got room to go down. Let's wait for a pullback. Come back up. I'd like to see a pullback right to this spot right there. Then a continuance. If it gets above there, we'll get more sellers in. Come on. That must be a key area. No, it's just the buyers and sellers. Put that up. Yeah, there is no other. Left. Always look left. Tempted to take one of my own, but I trust the software. It's already got me 27. Yeah, they're going to do another pullback. Yeah.
Order filled.
Fall. 85,
Order
83s.
canceled. Order filled.
Yeah, see how it's just coming right back. They haven't moved it for which direction it wants to go. The computer programs are just taking out your stops. There's not enough volume. Let's see. There's I'm looking at that here. There's 309,000 early, 500, half a million usual, and oil's trading pretty good. So let's see if we can get another one here. Because this is a rejection from that price. Okay, let's see if we get a continuance of that downward trajectory. Could be going up to this level too to turn around. Come on, baby. If it goes up to this area, then it's going to reverse, and it's going to have a nice drop. There it is. Now it's trending up. So we'll have to be patient. $8.43. Yep, 8.43. Let's come back right into this. 55. And pull up, go up. Oh, 1.012, 03. Nope. Okay. They're playing footsie with us. Either that or nobody's in there yet. Here we go, come on. Come on, guys, get in there. Because this is a shallower. It didn't go as deep.
Order filled.
It should go up. It's going to go up slow. Stop should be right there. Come on, break up. Break up to the upside. 92. Get out of the way, sellers. 93, 95, 96. Sellers are still there.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Yeah, I did that. I hit that myself. Okay. Made $8,000 though. So let's look at the strategy performance. 93%, 77 on the shorts. 7,000. I'm going to take that for an early Monday morning, or Tuesday morning rather. So 7,542 minus 367. That's $7,100. It's 230 for the month of September if I do that for 30 days. So, yeah, I'll take that. So, anyways, the time is now 8:45. All right, I'm not going to get greedy. Thank you for watching. I'll keep making the videos.